Two objects, A and B, have masses 2 kg and 5 kg respectively. A is moving east at 6 meters per second and B is moving west at 3 meters per second. After collision, they stick together. Find the common velocity and direction. Okay, let's solve it. We have our solutions. So first one, mass of A, let's make it MA. So mass of A is 2 kg and mass of B, MB, is 5 kg. And the velocity of A, that's U, A, is 6 meters per second, moving east. So what is 6 meters per second? And velocity of B, UB, is 3 meters per second, moving west. Between minus 3 meters per second. The minus sign indicates the direction of the object. Okay, let's proceed. So we have to calculate for the common velocity. And remember that after collision, they stick together. So from conservation of momentum, let me state it. So from conservation of momentum, MA UA plus MB UB is equal to MA, because they stick together, MA plus MB all into bracket multiplied by the common velocity, that's the VF. Okay, mass of A was 2, so 2 multiplied by velocity of A, that was 6, plus mass of B was 5 multiplied by velocity of B, that's minus 3, because of its direction. Okay, equal to bracket open, mass of A 2 plus mass of B, down 5. There. 2 times 6 will give us 12 plus 5 times minus 3 will give us minus 15. So minus 15 equal to 2 plus 5 will give us 7. So 7, then F. 12 plus minus 15 will give us minus 3. So minus 3 is equal to 7, then F. Let's make the V the subject. So V final velocity is equal to minus 3 over 7. So by using the calculator, minus 7 minus 3 divided by 7 will give us minus 4 minus 0.42 0.42 meters per second. So therefore, the common velocity is 0.42 meters per second, and the direction. So the negative sign indicates that it moves in the westward direction. So, and the direction is in westward. Okay. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and leave a comment. Don't forget to follow for more. Bye bye.